Hi, and welcome to What Would Wursta Do, our Google technology show. And also, welcome to 2024. We made it. I made it. You made it. They made it. And with the new year here, it's a great time to recenter and to also reorganize your Google Workspace home. And let's do that with 3 easy tips. Tip 1, reorganize your drive folders. Find those files at the top of your drive that don't have a home and help them find one. 2, check out your starred section in Drive. Take away what was once important and add anything in there that you'll be frequenting a lot in the near future. And 3, clean out that inbox. Take a chunk of it out by creating a filter for emails using these parameters. And boom, there are all your emails you've gotten from calendar events from last year that you can send off to archive land. Have anything you want a video on? Let us know in the comments. And for any support you need with your org's technology, contact us at wursta.com. Thanks, and Happy New Year.